This video demonstrates how to operate the Panther Helium and multi-gas handheld leak detector. To turn on the Panther, press and hold the power button until the alarm LEDs light up green. The device will run a self-test, followed by a zeroing process. Once complete, your Panther is ready to use. The Panther operates with an ultrasonic pump, so it runs silently. The Panther can be used with a protective outer probe attached, but removing it allows the inner probe to reach tighter spaces. Hold the Panther at a 45-degree angle and move the probe along the joint at a rate of about 1 inch per second. If a leak is detected, lift the probe from the surface and go over the area again at a slower speed to pinpoint the leak. For an accurate measurement, remove the Panther from the leak site and press the 0 button. Once ready, return the probe to the leak site and log the reading. Always drag the probe, never push it, as dirt can cause blockages. Also, avoid contact with liquids for the same reason. While gas leaks can technically occur anywhere, they are most commonly found at pipe joints, welded seams, or damaged surfaces. Over time, thermoconductivity sensors may drift slightly due to changes in humidity or temperature. If this happens, simply remove the Panther from the test area and press the 0 button. After a few moments, the device will be ready to continue testing. One final note: since breath is both warm and moist, avoid exhaling over the test area, as this can affect readings. For more information or to purchase a Panther Helium and multi-gas handheld leak detector, go to portableleakdetectors.com.